আর কার্লি টেলসের গোটা পরিবারকে নিয়ে আজ এসে গেছি আমার শহর কলকাতায়। And we are here to explore the latest addition to the iconic structures of Kolkata, the Bisho Bangla Gate. Opened in February this year, this place has already become a favorite among tourists and locals. And the biggest attraction of this place is the hanging restaurant, which houses right on top, from where you can enjoy a bird's eye view of the entire place. So today I'm going to take you on for a lunch with the view. So we'll just take the lift and go up there to the hanging restaurant. So we have climbed up the lift at 25 meters of height. Welcome to Bisho Bangla Gate. Situated very close to the Kolkata airport, this place has been built as a gateway to the city. You can take a stroll around here and enjoy the mesmerizing view. This ring consists of a gallery of hanging restaurant and of course the millennials' favorite, a selfie booth. The gallery is filled with paintings and motifs of eminent Bengali personalities. Now, before you head to this beautiful place, you should be knowing about few important things that I'm going to share with you now. The most important thing to remember about the hanging restaurant is that it has a particular capacity, which means it's not a normal walk-in restaurant. Before you come to this place, you should remember to always pre-book your ticket. You can book your tickets through Book My Show or through the official website of Bisho Bangla. Next thing to remember is that this place has got specific timings at which you can visit here. So if you just want to take a stroll around the gallery, then the time slot is from 4 to 5. So you have one time slot at 4 and one at 5, wherein you'll be given 45 minutes to take a look around the place. The ticket prices for the stroll round is just 100 rupees. But if you want to take a lunch over here or if you want to dine over here, then the timings are from 12 to 3 for lunch and from 7 onwards for dinner. And the ticket prices will be 650 on weekend and 550 on weekend. And the third thing to remember is that the washroom is not here on the hanging restaurant itself because of the weight issue. The washroom, the kitchen and everything else is there at the ground floor. So here you just have the restaurant and the gallery. I'm done taking a 360-degree stroll of this entire place. So now let's head to the multi-cuisine buffet. You can see there are so many dishes. I literally don't have any more place left on my plate, but I can't miss out on anything. First quencher we have Gandharaj Lebu shot. এটাকে বলা যেতেই পারে আমাদের বাঙালি স্টাইলের মুড়ি। আদর্শিক বাঙালির জন্য এটা একেবারে আহারের বাহার। Well, what I mean is, if you are a Bengali foodie, then this is just what you would love to dig into. Let's dig in. The hanging restaurant serves a widespread buffet for lunch, and this place turns into a fine dining restaurant for dinner.
I just came down after having lunch from Vishwa Bangla Gate. It's a very good place which gives a 360-degree view and a good food to enjoy together. When you come down to Kolkata, please visit this place. It's really worth it.
Well, I just can't have enough of this beautiful view. If you too want to come here and enjoy this gorgeous view from the first hanging restaurant of Kolkata, then don't forget to come to the Vishwa Bangla Gate here in New Town. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Jiroshi signing off for today.